newsroom, a shooting on the interstate is now being called road rage. The Coweta County Sheriff's Office says the gunman is now in custody. The woman told police a man in a ski mask pulled up next to her and started shooting just before 6 a.m. Tuesday. It happened on I-85 between the Noonan and Fairburn exits. Just moments ago, police updating us on the case, saying the suspect shot the woman because she cut him off. He is now facing an aggravated battery charge. At last check, the victim was still in the hospital.